Hello guys, I hope you are doing very well. So today I am going to show you a new data scraper that I have developed for DemandBase.com. Um, in this video, I'll go through all the steps that you need to know to run this bot on your side. So first of all, when you will get this zip file from me, you would need to extract it in a simple folder like this one, and then you have to open it and you have to run this exe file. When you run this exe file, you will see this splash screen. That means it's running, and after that you will see a form like this one, and from here there are some controls and I'll explain them to you now. First of all, there's a radio button called extract contacts, and another one is extract companies. You have to select whatever you want to do. Either you want to scrap contacts or companies, you have to select accordingly. And then you have to input your username and password here, and then press the start button. I have built this bot using Playwright and C#, so it will run independently. You don't need to install anything else on your system, and because I have developed it using Playwright, it's totally undetectable according to my algorithm that we have applied in all our bots. So in first step, it will log in to the demand base. It's like DNB, ZoomInfo, PitchBook, Rocket Reach, Apollo, Ocean.io, and this is the next one that I'm going to release now. So when you see this screen, it will show us a message: apply your custom filters to start scrapping process. Here we will go to build a list. Wait for it. Then we will simply press on search. Because we have select contacts here, so shift to contacts on this screen, and now we can apply the filters that we want. C-level, job function as a sales, accounting and finance. Apply. In my case, these filters are enough for me because I am just showcasing the complete scrapper. In your case, you can apply as many filters as you want, and we can add more columns from here: job level, job function, and person location. After doing that, just hit this message OK, and the scrapper will start the scrapping process automatically. So now we will be getting the full name of the person, the email, the phone number, the location, the LinkedIn link of the person, the Google link, inside view ID, and the complete education details of the person. There are 3900 pages, and it will scrap all of them. This is the pause button. When we press pause, it will pause, and when we resume, it will start working. And right now I've just seen an error here. It's a bug. It's not getting the LinkedIn link, it's getting the email. So because right now I'm recording, I cannot fix it right now, but I will fix it later this video, and whenever you will get this system, it will be fixed. So we do have 200 records right now. Let me export them. We can select any format we want, export, and we can open it from here, and boom, we do have the data here, all the data. Now let me close it and show you the company's part. We will run it again. It would be the same process. This time we will select companies, hit start button. You can have a look here. I do have all of these boards, including Apollo, app.leadaro, batch leads, DemandBase, PitchBook, Open Corporates Data Scraper, LinkedIn Data Scraper, Google Maps Data Scraper, Spotify Account Creator, True People Search Data Scraper, Zinc Data Scraper, Yellow Pages, PropStream, Rocket Reach, YouTube, ZoomInfo, SalesWeb, Ocean.io, LinkedIn Recruiter, Facebook Ads Library Data Scraper, DNB Hoover's Data Scraper, LinkedIn Auto Connect Bot, List Your Data Scraper, PitchBook. You can have a look here. So now we have to apply the filters again. We will click on search. This time we will select companies. It's selected by default, and then we'll apply the filters. Apply. We will select a company location as well. Yeah, we will select North America. Boom. Now we will add more columns, and then we will hit this message OK to start the scraping process. Now here's the data. We are getting the EFX ID as well. So we will be getting the company name, location. This is the complete location. Phone number, type of the company, structure of the company, industry of the company, revenue, total employees count, EFX ID, the website of the company, and the description. And there are almost 10,000 pages here for the companies, and it will scrap all of them here. You can check the speed of the scrapping. We can export in the same way and open the file from here. So here's the complete data. So that's all for today. If you have any other questions regarding this board, you can ask me without any hesitation. If you need this board, or if you want me to develop another board for you, then you can let me know. You can find my contact details in the description of this video. I'll launch the next video soon. Till then, take care please. Have a good day. Bye.